Hi, Namaste children. Welcome back to English class. Children, in my previous video, I explained to you about the exercise part of storyboard poem. And in my today's video, I am going to start your new lesson, 7th lesson, that is Girls Can't Play Cricket. Girls Can't Play Cricket. It is the lesson about girls. They are also equal to boys, and we have that superstition in our society now. What superstition? Superstition is nothing but moodanambike. Girls can't do anything. Okay, girls can't do anything. That is the superstition we have in our society. And in this story or in this lesson, they are going to prove that the author of this story is going to prove that girls can do anything. Girls can do anything. And you can see that, children, you see the different fields of today's world, whether it is a science field or a medical field, education field, or IT sector, wherever you go, in all the parts, in all the fields, we have girls, we have women. They are working as a chief officer sometimes, then sometimes they are the workers, sometimes they are the teachers, sometimes they are the scientists. See, wherever you go, they are there. It means they are not behind. They are all coming forward nowadays. So it means they are also equal to us in the society. Okay, in the society, they are all equal. We are all equal. So there should not be any difference like boys, girls, okay, gents, ladies, like that. We are all equal only in front of our Indian Constitution. Our Constitution also it says we are all equal. So that you have to keep in your mind. For that they given a story, beautiful story here. It is Girls Can't Play Cricket, 7th lesson. And before that lesson, they given some pictures of sports persons. They are all women. They are all women. They are famous in which game? That we need to match. Please look at your screen. Actually, I already matched these pictures with their games. These people with their games. First one, Mithali Raj. She is famous in cricket, and also she was captain of our Indian women's team. Captain of women cricket team. It means we have cricket team of our men. You know that already. ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್. ಮಿಥಾಲಿ ರಾಜ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ನ, ವಿಮೆನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಅಲ್ಕಾ ತೋಮರ್. Alka Tomar, she is famous wrestler. Wrestler, WRESTLER. Wrestler means ಕುಸ್ತಿ ಪಟು, ಕುಸ್ತಿ ಆಡೋದು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಬರೀ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೇಮ್, ರೆಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕುಸ್ತಿ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಇವನ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ wrestling. She is famous wrestler of our India. Alka Tomar, second picture. Okay, then next let us go to the third picture. Anjali Bhagavat. Anjali Bhagavat, she is famous in shooting. You know the shooting, not film shooting. Shooting is using the gun, shooting to the certain point. It is shooting. Okay, so in that sport, she is very famous. Anjali Bhagavat, famous shooter. Okay, next, PV Sindhu, well-known player. She is an excellent player. PV Sindhu, she is famous in badminton, and she won silver medal in the previous Olympics also. You know that. In the previous Olympics, she won silver medal for our India. Very famous badminton player, PV Sindhu. Next, after PV Sindhu's image, there is Mary Kom. She has children ಆಲ್ದೋ ಶಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಏನು ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸರ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಶಿ ಓನ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಮೆಡಲ್, ಯು ನೋ ಇಟ್. ಬ್ರಾಂಜ್ ಮೆಡಲ್ ಶಿ ಓನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಮೇರಿ ಕೋಮ್. ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, you know her, I think. She is Sania Mirza, famous tennis player of our country. Sania Mirza, famous tennis player of our country. She is Sania Mirza. So these are all the famous people. These are all actively they are participating in the sports. Now Mary Kom, PV Sindhu, Sania Mirza, Anjali Bhagavat, Alka Tomar and Mithali Raj. So by seeing this itself, you can understand these are all very famous in sports. Like this, in all the fields, they are there women. In all the fields, they are there. Not only here, so not only in sports field. You can go to music field. You can go to Lata Mangeshkar ji and Gangubai Hanagal ji, M.S. Subbalakshmi ji. They are famous. And you can come to film industry. There also we have Jayanti madam, Bharati madam, okay, Kalpana madam, Aarti madam. They are the people. They are very famous in film industry. You can go to this one, science industry, science field. There also we have great women. They are Kalpana Chawla from India, Sunita Williams. Like this, there are so many people, so many women. They are working in the different fields. It means now we should not consider that, we should not talk like that, so girls can't do anything. Okay, they can do everything. That is the thing we should keep in our mind. This is the thing we should learn from this story. Now I am going to read this story in my today's class. After reading, in my next class, I am going to give you the meanings of this lesson, and also I will explain to you this lesson. Okay. Okay children, now I am going to start reading this story. If you have textbook, you can open this page number 78 in your English textbook and sit. If you don't have English textbook with you, please look at your screen and listen what I am going to read. And you have to watch screen, what it is going on the screen. Lesson number 7, girls can't play cricket. Here, the boys thought that girls could not play cricket. Did the girls prove them wrong? Here, Sumit waited for his friends to arrive at the playground. When they came, 3 boys and 2 girls. They were all excited to see the cricket set Sumit had got for his birthday. Here, let's make 2 teams and play a match, said Sumit. I will be the captain of one team. Rajan, you can be the captain of the other. You can select your team and I will select mine. Here I am reading. They started calling out the names. Ajay, Vicky, it continued. The girls waited for their names to be called out. When neither of the captains called out their names, Sudha asked, "What about us?" "Well, girls can't play cricket," said Sumit. "You can watch us play," he added kindly. "Yes, you can cheer your favorite team," said Rajan. The girls got so angry that they turned and walked back home. "It's not fair. We are friends. We should be playing together," cried Sudha. We should teach them a lesson, said Preeti. Sudha's mother heard the girls talking. What's the matter, girls? You look upset, she said. Then the girls explained what had happened to them. I know what you can do, said Sudha's mother. Make your own cricket team and challenge the boys to a match. But we don't have a cricket set, said Sudha. Here. And we don't know how to play cricket, said Preeti. Don't worry about that, said Sudha's mother. I can teach you. I was the captain of the girls' cricket team at school. Here I am reading. How would you like a cricket set for your birthday next week, Sudha? Here. Oh, mummy, you are great, cried Sudha as she kissed her. For the next 2 weeks, Sudha and Preeti practiced batting, bowling, and fielding. Sudha's mother taught them all the techniques and rules. Preeti's mother also joined them. Soon they became quite good at all the game or at the game. Sudha was especially good at bowling. Let's go to the playground and show the boys, said Sudha. The girls and their mothers went to the playground and set up the stumps and bales. Here I am reading. Soon the boys arrived. They laughed when they saw the girls playing cricket. Then here I am reading. How about a match? Asked Sudha. Don't be silly. Girls can't play cricket, said Sumit. Why don't you play with us and find out? Said Sudha's mother. Will you also play, auntie? Asked Ajay. If you don't mind, said Sudha's mother. If you don't mind, she said. Then, otherwise, 2 girls against 4 boys wouldn't be fair. The boys were a little surprised. All right, auntie, but please be careful. We don't want you to get hurt, said Sumit. Here, the match started. The boys won the toss, and Sumit was the first to bat. He hit the very first ball for 4 runs. Come on, Sudha, shouted Preeti. Here I am going to start. Bowl your past ones. Sumit hit 2 more runs, but he was out on the next ball. Clean bowled. He couldn't believe it. Here I am reading. It was Rajan's turn next. The balls were so fast that the first 2 just whizzed past him. He realized that he would have to try his best. It would not be an easy victory. He hit the next ball high for 6 runs. The boys jumped with joy. Rajan made 15 runs and then he was run out. Here I am reading. Ajay and Vicky made another 4 runs each and then they too were out. They had scored 29 runs in all. Here Here I am start reading. Don't worry, we will get the girls out in no time, said Rajan. Sudha faced Rajan nervously. As he bowled the first ball, it missed the stumps by an inch, just saved. I mustn't be nervous, thought Sudha as she faced Rajan again. This time she hit the ball for one run. Here I completed. Now I am going to read here. Slowly the runs began to pile up. 2 runs, 3 runs, another 1. And then she hit a 4. Soon she had made 15 runs. The boys were getting worried. When all of a sudden Sudha was clean bowled. Here. Now here. It's your turn, Preeti, she called out. Don't get nervous. Sumit bowled to Preeti and she hit the ball for 4 runs. Come on, Sumit, shouted Rajan. Don't let them win. Preeti hit 6 more runs before she was out. Now it was her mother's turn. She was clean bowled on the first ball. Here I am going to read. You will have to make 5 runs somehow, Mummy, said Sudha. It means, once again I will read that sentence. You will have to make 5 more runs somehow, Mummy, said Sudha. As her mother went into bat, she scored 2 runs. There were no runs in the next over. Hurry up, Mummy, called out Sudha. The ball flew in the air for 4 runs. They had done it. They had won the game. The girls jumped with joy. The boys clapped for them. We will play together from now on, said Sumit. And now we all know girls can play cricket. Everyone joined in. This is the story. Girls can't play cricket. I read this story in my today's video, children. Please listen it 1 or 2 times. And you have to read this story. And then previous lessons, notes and all, you have to complete them and you have to bring them to the school and show to me. And you need to get signature. If you can't come, please send their photos to me. Okay, at least you have to send their photos because you have marks for them. Whether you are completed or not, I should know. That is why you have to send your pics of your notes to my WhatsApp number, or you can bring them directly to the school and show to me. Okay, take care. In my next class, I am going to give you the meanings of this lesson, and also I am going to start this explanation of this story. I am going to start the explanation also. Okay, take care. Have a nice day.